Let me show you how to use the app. Click on this icon to select the thought detection sensitivity. Click on the hourglass icon to select the duration of your meditation session. Now click on Start button to start your meditation session. Hold the phone vertically against your belly like this. Breathe slowly and deeply, making sure that your belly moves up and down with each inhalation and exhalation. Make sure each inhalation and exhalation lasts for a count of 8 seconds or more. You will need to focus on your breath to maintain the duration of 8 seconds. As you lose focus and your mind wanders, your breathing pattern will change and the birds will call out to you. When you hear the birds call, bring your focus back to the breath and make your breathing slower and deeper until the birds stop calling. The app will automatically end your session after the set duration with a gong sound. Great, you are all set.